In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a full gaming setup for only 190 USD. But there's a catch. The motherboard we're using is the H81MP33 we got for $30. The processor we're using is an i5-4570T for $25. But there's a catch, it's only 2 cores and 4 threads. So technically it's an i3 but with an i5 name on it. The good thing is, it includes hyperthreading. We got a kit of 8GB DDR3 memory clocked at 1600 MHz for only $30. Since the second-hand graphics card market price is all messed up right now, we decided to look on FreeGeek and found a GTX 580 for only $45. It performs just like a 1050 2GB, but without DirectX 12 support. For the main storage, we pick up a 1TB hard drive for only $20. For the boot device, we decided to go with the 128GB SSD from FreeGeek for around $30. The case we're using is an M-ATX from Fractal Design we got for $30. To power the whole build, we are using a 620 watt power supply we got for free. To finish the whole setup, we found a keyboard and mouse for $10 and a monitor for only $15. And here is the price list. Here is how we put it together.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so
And there it is, the 190 USD full PC setup. Besides the 2-core i5, I think this was a really good price to performance PC setup. If you enjoyed the video, please click on that subscribe button and like the video for more content like this. See you guys next week for a $135 potato gaming setup.